Hello student, Veena Dikshit here. Please subscribe my channel. I am preparing you for competitive exam as well as board exam and 11th also. And the graduate level students are also learning from my video. So please practice more, practice more, practice more. All the best. God bless you. Thank you for watching. pH of solution at 25 degrees C is 2. Means pH is given and that is value having 2. If the pH is to be doubled, then the hydronium ion concentration of the solution should be halved, doubled, increased by 100 times or decreased by 100 times. So pH is equal to 2. At that time H ion concentration will be of how much? 10 to power minus pH, 10 raised to power negative pH, that is 10 to power negative 2. That is the H ion concentration. Clear? So at that time, what we have to see? We have to do that pH is double, means earlier it was pH is equal to 2. Now it is double, so now pH is equal to 4. If pH is equal to 4, so hydronium ion concentration is equal to 10 raised to power minus 4. And when this lower concentration will be occurring? When we divide 10 raised to power minus 2 by 100, means we are doing dilution. So concentration is decreased. So concentration is decreased by 100 times. So what we have to select? D, decrease in concentration. Clear to you? Again I will repeat. And secondly, you remember that they are inversely related. If we are increasing this pH, so concentration of H ion will be decreases. So here 10 raised to power minus 2 highly concentrated as compared to 10 raised to power minus 4. How do we get this? By dilution of 200 times. So when concentration is decreased by 100 times, see, this is 10 raised to power minus 2, this is 10 raised to power minus 4. So it is decreased by 100 times. Now the pH of decimolar solution of KOH is 1, 4, 10, 13. Very, very easy question and very conceptual question. This came in medical entrance exam also. So pH is equal to 1. So this is, we have to find out pH, not that pH is equal to 1. They have given pH of decimolar solution of KOH. Find, word is find. Find the pH. So decimolar means 1 by 10. So pOH, this is giving OH concentration. Okay, so molarity is equal to 1 by 10m, that is 10 raised to power minus 1 OH ion concentration. So pOH is equal to minus log of OH ion concentration, that is equal to 1. Because minus log 10 raised to power negative 1, so it will be coming to be 1. Now pH is plus pOH is equal to 14. So pH is equal to 14 minus pOH, that is 14 minus 1, that is equal to 13. So it is having 13 pH. Which is correct? D is correct. That KOH, 1 decimolar KOH is having pH 13. Clear? Thank you for watching. God bless you.